Hi guys, I'm Mario and today we're going to talk about how to fix add a friend option not working on Facebook. The first thing we need to do is open here our profile, then tap the wheel at the top right, here profile settings, privacy. Then here there is who can send you friend requests. If the person you're trying to add as a friend is actually turn this option on friends of the friends and you don't have mutual friends, you can't actually add him as a friend. So what you need to do in this case is just find a mutual friend and add him as a friend, then you can probably add the other guy too. You start seeing this option add as a friend. So the second option why you don't see add as a friend is if you're trying to send friend request to public figure. It doesn't have to be Mark Zuckerberg or other famous person. It can be just a random girl who created this public profile page. So that's another option. In this case, you can do anything. And the last thing you may try to do to fix this problem is to upgrade your app in case it's just some technical problem. You can do that by open the Play Store on Android, type Facebook, and click upgrade. That's it.